have the power to change. Welcome everyone. So today the NSS team of Vivekanand College has taken initiative to spread message on energy conservation. Since 1991, every year the National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on 14 December globally to highlight the importance of energy conservation. This day raises awareness regarding energy conservation, energy efficiency, and frugality in energy use.
What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. It can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. Energy can be broadly categorized into two categories: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy can be generated continuously, practically without any decay of the source. For example, solar energy, wind energy, and hydrothermal energy. Non-renewable energy can't be generated again and again from the same source. For example, petroleum products, coal, and uranium.
Now let's see the energy of conservation. Energy of conservation is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of energy. Surface energy conservation can be achieved through increased efficient energy use in conjunction with decreased energy consumption or reduced consumption from conventional energy resources.
Here are some reasons for why we need to conserve energy. The first reason is energy resources are limited, therefore, it is always said to save and not to misuse them. Don't excuse for misuse. The second reason is pollution. When we burn the fossils and obtain energy from them, or when we use oil for the vehicles, it creates pollution, which is hazardous to every individual on the planet. The third reason is sustainable development. This means using resources in such a manner that they fulfill the demand of today's generation and also saving for the future generation. The fourth reason is global warming. It leads to the melting of glaciers and hence depleting the fresh water content on the earth. The fifth reason is conservation of water for tomorrow.
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ। धरती को माँ कहते हो और इसके साथ इतना अन्याय करते हो। छी छी छी, it's not good. Our mother earth is not filled with unlimited resources, so don't misuse them. The resources like fossil fuels, water, electricity, crude oil, etc., once depleted, gets back in trillions and millions of years.
So think before acting, because conservation would not only help you to save bills but your future generations also. So let's learn some of the no cost ways we can adopt in our lifestyle to avoid hazardous consequences. Number 1. Go solar, save polar. Sunlight is a very good source of energy, so one should adopt to the installation of solar panels at their homes. Number 2. Slow the stream, save the water. Don't leave the taps running at your home. Fix all the leaky faucets. Prefer using a bucket while bathing and take shorter baths. Number 3. Spare a watt, save a lot. Try to use natural lighting in mornings and wind up most of your work in the daytime. Secondly, try to use electric appliances with higher star rating and switch to LEDs from traditional light bulbs. Number 4, not at home or not even in the room, turn off AC, fans and all the unused electrical devices. Number 5, reduce kitchen heat and promote gardening. Now let's see some of the ways by which we can save energy.
Resource is a major concern of whole world. Therefore, government encourage us to conserve energy. Let's take a little sneak peek.
Number 1. Ratifying Paris Agreement. This agreement provides a framework to countries around the world to take immediate actions on climatic change. Number 2. The Clean Development Mechanism project aims to optimize the industries in India on the factors such as energy efficiency, fuel switching, solid waste management, etc. Number 3. Use 3R approach, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Number 4. Energy conservation building codes. This was launched by Ministry of Power in 2007. It sets a minimum energy standard for new commercial buildings.
Number 5 is the standard and labeling by BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Actually, it helps to give the insights to the consumers about the energy efficiency and energy savings of the electronic devices and appliances. Number 6 is the Ujala scheme. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi describes LEDs as the Prakash Path, the way towards light. The Government of India encourages the use of LEDs over traditional bulbs, which will help in energy conservation. Number 7, the government intends to incorporate energy conservation related texts in the already existing NCERTs. This will help the young ones to get aware of this topic.
Conclusion: energy conservation should be the utmost priority of humankind. Gandhiji rightly said, the earth provides enough to satisfy one's need but not one's greed. So we hope you can enjoy and learn new things out of the video. Always remember one thing out of the video: energy saved is equals to energy created. Thank you.